Guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, today's video is going to be about tailgates and how they work and what to do if they won't open. So on my truck right here, this is my Ridgeline. I got a tailgate here that just will not open. It doesn't matter how hard you pull on this thing, it's not going to happen. There's also a little handle down here, not happening. So I wanted to do a quick, I guess this could kind of be a two-part video. One part on how to fix a broken tailgate, but also how to fix a Ridgeline tailgate. Show you what I did. So in this situation where this tailgate won't open, you're kind of at the mercy of taking apart the panel from the inside. And you'll see here that I already have my panel taken out. And if you have a Ridgeline, you're actually able to take this panel apart from the inside without having to take anything else apart. You can take the bolts out here and all around it and then pull this panel off. So what you're going to get is this mechanism here. Let me jump in the truck and show you. Okay, so this is the latch mechanism, handle mechanism inside of a Honda Ridgeline. And let me show you the problem here. It's right here. Bring you in closer to see. That little piece has broken. So when you pull up on the handle, right there, it's engaging the right arms to disengage the latch, but it's not moving that left arm, which is the one that you need to pop it loose. So if you have a broken tailgate and the handle's moving up and down and that tailgate isn't budging, get that thing open and start looking around in here. Now, the next thing you're going to need to figure out is what pieces to get. Now, these are all color-coded based off of size. So on these particular Hondas, the purple is the smallest size, and I was actually able to source a generic one on Amazon just by searching purple. I believe I typed in purple door rod clip, and that's what pulled this up. So I'm going to go ahead and replace this and then just show you how this pops in. All right, so what I'm going to use here to pull this old piece of plastic out is this hook. I got a little hook tool. It's got a little barb on the end of it. I'm just going to fish that out like this, and that'll free that up. And then you just take off the little extra plastic piece here and then get the new one ready. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do here is take your clip and just drop it in the hole first, like that. Kind of swivel it around. Then you're going to take your rod, try to get a good angle here for you. Get your rod there and just press it down firmly and support the back of the clip like that. Then you're going to bring over the retainer and hook that in like that. Now, when you lift up on it, it won't allow the rod to come out of there anymore. So, you know, are these as good as OEM? Probably not. But the truck's 14 years old. These are a little bit more dry rotted than this one. So I'm pretty sure one of these will fail before this one will. So you'll probably get another 10 years out of it before it gets screwed up. But now if I operate the handle, everything works correctly. Close the tailgate. Now it works. So if you guys got a broken tailgate and you're scratching your head trying to figure out how to get it to open, first step, take out the inner panel so you can access your levers and mechanisms. Then go ahead and order yourself a new retainer clip. So I appreciate you guys watching. Remember to rate, comment, subscribe. Get you in the next video. Later.